We finally got it, the Traxxas XRT. I paid $1,000 for this, so please subscribe. This video was originally made for 200 subscribers, but I got it and I couldn't wait to unbox it and show all of you. So we're doing it at, I believe we're at like 44, so let's just unbox this thing. I also bought the charger set, so altogether it was $1,522.29. But I'm gonna stop wasting your time, so let's unbox it. Like normal people. Alright, here we go. XRT. The one thing that I've been working for what feels like my whole life. Oh my gosh. I can't explain to you, but it looks way bigger in person than you actually think it is. I'm just gonna say, I haven't even opened it all the way, and I'm just having the best time of my life. So the tires come separately. They're literally as big as my hand, which is that's huge. So we got an air vent right there, which looks super cool, as well as right here. Let's slide it out some more. Oh, the wing is just gorgeous. So we're gonna pop off the body and see what it looks like. So as I'm looking through this, I see the handle is actually like the perfect size for carrying it around. Like the perfect size. Like the e-Revo, I have to use like my 3 fingers to carry this tiny little like bar. And over the while, my 3 fingers feel sore and I'm not happy with it. But this, you can just grab it like a freaking dumbbell, walk around the suitcase as everyone stares at you. So yeah, I also love the wing on it. It is very big, and yeah, it got the sledge style to it. I liked the back wing on the e-Revo. Sorry to downgrade this car, it's a great car, but the wing is a little small. But this makes it up. It's such a beautiful car, it makes me feel bad that I'm gonna drive it. But now we're gonna put on the wheels and see how it goes. But before we do that, I'm gonna actually, I haven't seen one of these charger boxes, so we're gonna unbox that as well. Got the battery, 6,700 mAh. And I'll compare that to a regular 5,000 mAh battery. And this is an ever so slightly used 5,000 mAh battery, so there's a little bit of a difference. You can barely tell. This charger compared to the 3S charger is an absolute difference. Like, it's just like Big Brother just stepped into the room. It was like, what are you doing here? Alright, now time to open this thing up. The car tires actually look like car tires. But first, I forgot to put on the tires, so I'm gonna hyperlapse it so you can get to the quick part soon. We finished putting the truck together. It is absolutely massive. First of all, it's like 5 fingers off the ground. This first part's big as my hand, as well as the wheel. And yeah, let's just open it up. For real this time. Alright, just pop the body off. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's see. So here's where the batteries go. Just in this area. Don't know how to pop it out yet. I think you just slide it. I will figure that out later. The motor is absolutely gorgeous with the twin things coming out. Love it. You have the ECS reader. Different kind from the eRevo, which I'm usually used to. And we have the battery slots.